Hello students, how are you? So today we will discuss some question related to trigonometry, multiple choice questions. Some question already discussed. We have taken this lecture after so many days. I think you are well and doing your job properly. So now we will continue our syllabus and try to complete as far as possible. So starting this question, chapter number 9, some application of trigonometry. So already I told you, again I can repeat here, use of sine 45, cos 45 and tangent 45, 60 and 30 degree. But mainly using tangent so many times. Otherwise nothing in this chapter. You have to understand two type of angles, angle of elevation and angle of depression. Both I told you what's their types. If you are looking above the horizontal line, it's meaning angle of elevation, and if you are looking downside from the horizontal line, it's meaning angle of depression. So we will start it, already discussed related to this chapter. We have taken 2-3 lectures. So here, look one time, from a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on opposite side of a lighthouse. So lighthouse you understand. So you can say this is a lighthouse. Understood? Two ships, one ship is here and other ship is here. Two ships on the opposite side of the lighthouse are observed to be one making angle 30 degree, another making angle 45 degree. This is the top. A is the top of the lighthouse and B is this. What's your B? B is this. Understood? This is the height of the lighthouse. We can say H. H is the height of the lighthouse. And we have to find out, what we have to find out, if the height of the lighthouse is H meter, the distance between the ship is, it's meaning we can say this is the point B, this point C, and this is, we have to find out, D. What we have to find out? It's meaning we have to find out BC. And what's your BC? BC equal to BD plus DC. Understood? So first taking triangle, which triangle? In triangle, which? ABD. ABD. Understood? So AD perpendicular, this is perpendicular, this angle is 90 degree, by BD perpendicular by base, tangent. Tangent how much degree? 30 degree. And what's its inverse? BD by AD is equal to what? 1 by tangent. 1 by tangent 30 degree. So BD equal to AD into, this is how much? Under root 3. Under root 3. What's your AD? AD is the height. So this we can say under root 3H. This is your first. Now taking another triangle. Which triangle? This triangle. ABC. In triangle ABC, sorry, ADC. ADC, and this is what we have taken. Lighthouse is this. So AD by DC is equal to tangent 45 degree. And DC by AC, AD 1 by tangent 45 degree. And which is equal to cotangent 45 degree. So DC equal to AD and this is equal to 1. So DC equal to H meter. What's H? So what's your BC? Is equal to BD plus DC. BD plus DC. What's your BD? Under root 3H plus H. What is this DC? H meter. What's common? H is common. So how much? Under root 3 plus 1 meter. So which one is your answer? This is your answer. Got or not? Yes. Understood? Next, taking example. So let it to like that. All are like that. So this situation, given the angle of elevation of the top of a tower standing on a horizontal plane from a point A is alpha. So we can say this is a horizontal tower. Its height is H. And point A is here. So this angle. How much degree angle? This angle is alpha. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower standing on the horizontal plane from a point A is alpha. So what's the name of this point A? After walking a distance D, so walking this distance, how much D? This angle become how much degree? 45 degree. How much degree? 45 degree. So this point B we can say, this we can C, this we can D. We have to find the height of the tower is this. So we can say let BC equal to H is the height of the tower. AD equal to D meter we can say. Yes or no? Got? What is this? This we can say X. And DC equal to X meter. DC equal to X meter. So what we can do? First we can take in triangle. Which triangle? BDC. BDC. BC by DC is equal to tangent 45 degree. BC by DC equal to tangent 45. What's this implies? This implies BC by DC equal to 1 tangent 45 is equal to 1. So this implies what? BC equal to DC. But what's BC? H. It's meaning H equal to X. Got or not? And what is this? Alpha. So what you can say? In triangle ABC, BC by AC is equal to tangent alpha. BC is equal to tangent alpha. This is 45 not, sorry, wrong written this. This is beta. What is this? Beta. So later on I can tell. So what we have to find out? Height of the tower. BC. So BC equal to AC tangent alpha. What is your AC? BC, AC what? AD plus DC. So D plus HX, sorry, H naught. D plus X. And what is this? Tangent alpha. So what is this? BC equal to H equal to D plus X into tangent alpha. So here we need to write again this is what? This is tangent beta. And if this is tangent beta, this is what? Tangent beta. So calculate. BC, this is BC. So this implies H equal to DC, DC equal to X tangent beta. X tangent beta. Or what we can say? We have to find out height. So we can find out X is equal to H by tangent beta. So come here, putting the value of X here. So what's it's become? It's become H equal to D plus H tangent beta into tangent alpha. So how much this? H equal to D tangent beta plus H by tangent beta into tangent alpha. Tangent alpha. So transfer this. This become H tangent beta equal to D tangent alpha. So transfer this in that side. D tangent beta plus H into tangent alpha. So this also transfer in that sides. H tan alpha, H tan beta. So what's it's become? It's become H tangent beta minus H tangent alpha equal to what? What's it's become? D tangent alpha tangent beta. Yes, H taken common. Tangent beta tangent alpha equal to what? D tangent alpha tangent beta by tangent beta minus tangent alpha. Tangent alpha. So which one is your answer? So which one is your answer? So this, but here this not coming, so some mistake in it. So again we will start this from the starting. So from here, from starting. So this, again I want to tell some problem in it. What's problem? That I don't understand. So look one time. So one I have taken this. So this angle is beta. This angle is beta. So what I have taken in triangle, which triangle? BCD. Which triangle? BCD. First we are taking ABC. In triangle ABC, this triangle ABC. This is the H is the height. So what? BC by AC is equal to tangent alpha. What's tangent alpha? BC by AC is equal to tangent alpha. What's your BC? BC equal to H. And what is this? D plus X is equal to tangent alpha. Its meaning what? H equal to D plus X tangent alpha. Leave this it here. Leave this it here. In triangle, which triangle? This triangle. BDC. In triangle BDC. BC by DC is equal to tangent beta. Reciprocal take DC by BC is equal to what? Cotangent beta. DC what? X. X. And what is this? BC. BC equal to H. X. Cotangent beta. This is your second. We have to find out the value of H. So we are putting the value of X in the form of H. So putting the value of X equal to H cot beta in first we get, so H equal to D plus at X value H cot beta into outside what? Tangent alpha. What's tangent alpha? H we have to find out. So what we can say? This we can write H equal to D tangent alpha plus H cot beta tangent alpha. Got this? This also bring in this sides. So H taken common, 1 minus tangent alpha and cot beta equal to what? D tangent alpha. What's D tangent alpha? What's coming? So what's your H? This is, so H is equal to D tangent alpha divided by 1 minus tangent alpha and cot beta. Right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Right. And what's its meaning? What's its meaning? This is given in answer, not given, DD given. So what we can do? What we can do here? So H equal to what? In this form we have to remove this. So how can we remove it? How can we remove it? This you can tell me. So this how can we write? This we can write D by cotangent alpha minus 1 minus tangent alpha cot beta. In this way we can write. Yes or no? And this we can show like this. H equal to D. We can multiply this with this is become cot alpha. We can multiply this with this. So minus cot alpha tangent alpha cot beta. Got or not? This cancel each other, both are reciprocal of each other. So this implies H equal to D by cot alpha minus cot beta. In that one also nothing wrong. But we have to find out according to the answer. So which one is its answer? B is its answer. So this type of question given, you have to find out. Next, question number 15. The top of a two poles of height 20 meter and 14 meters. So this is a pole whose height is 14 meter. Another one is pole this whose height is how much? 20 meter. How much? 20 meter. Connected by a wire. So they are connected like this. We will join like this also. Understood? Connected by a wire. If the wire makes an angle 30 degree with the horizontal, this angle is 30 degree. Then the length of the wire. So length of the wire is this A, B, C, D, and this is E. Understood? So solution, we know DC equal to EB equal to 14 meter. AE equal to AB minus EB. AB 20 minus this 14, 6 meter. Yes or no? This is 6 meter. So find out in triangle. In which triangle? ADE. ADE. AE by AD. By AD. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin 30 is equal to sin 30. But what we have to find out? AD. So AD by AE equal to 1 by sin 30. What's its meaning? AD equal to AE. Sin 30 meaning 1 by sin 30, 1 by 2, 2 going upside, and this is. So what's your AD? AD equal to AE how much? 6 meter into 2 is equal to 12 meter. Region sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Got? Next. From the top of a cliff, 20 meter high, 25 meter high, the angle of elevation of the tower. So this is a tower, and this is a what? Cliff whose height is 25 meter. Angle of elevation of the tower is found to be equal to the angle of depression of its foot of tower. So one angle is formed here. Understood? And one angle is formed this. This is the clip. Say AB, CD, E. We have to find out height of the tower. We have to find out height of the tower. So I am saying this angle is theta, this also theta, so this also theta. Understood? First we are taking in triangle. Which triangle? AED, ED by AD is equal to tangent theta. So what's your ED? ED equal to AD tangent theta. Or leave this as it is, not this. Now in triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent theta. Is equal to tangent theta. Understood? From first and second, what we can say? These left hand side also equal ED by AD equal to AB by BC. AB by BC. But BC is equal to what? BC is equal to AD. BC equal to denominator same. So it's meaning numerator also same. So ED equal to AB is equal to 25 meter. This is 25 meter. This also 25 meter. And we have to find out the height of the tower. Height of the tower is EC. What's EC? EC equal to ED plus DC. EC how much? 25 meter plus 25 meter. 50 meter. So which one is your answer? B is your answer. Got this? The angle of depression of two ships from the top of a lighthouse. So again same type of question. This is a lighthouse. And 140 and 35 toward east in one side. This making, and one is this. A, B, C, D. This point making 30-degree angle and this ship making 45-degree angle with the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse. If the ship are 100 meter apart, so this distance is how much? 100 meters. What is this? This we can say x meter. Find the height of the lighthouse. So first, in triangle ABD, AB by DB is equal to tangent 30. So AB is equal to DB tangent 30, 1 by root 3. And what's your DB? 100 plus x, 100 plus x by under the root 3 meter. Understood? Now in triangle, which triangle? ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent 45 degree. What's tangent 45 degree? So what's your AB? AB equal to BC, tangent 45 here. So AB equal to BC and which is equal to x. X is the height. X is the height. So this is x meter. So find out value. From here, x is equal to 100 plus x by root 3. Bring in that side and root 3x is equal to 100 plus x. Bring in that side and root 3x minus x is equal to 100. Which one is common? X. And root 3 minus 1 equal to 100. Yes or no? So what's your x? X is equal to 100 divided by under root 3 minus 1. Yes or no? But in answer not given, so rationalizing it. What's rationalizing it? This is under root 3 plus 1, under root 3 plus 1. If you can solve this, 100 by under root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So what's coming? 2, cancel it. So what's your answer? 50 under root 3 plus 1. So what's your answer? D is your answer. So I told you, how can you solve under root 3? This is a matter here. This is the matter here. Here, question number 18, if the angle of elevation of the cloud from a point 200 meter above a lake. So situation is like this. So this is lake. This is angle, this. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 200 meter above lake, so it's meaning this is a lake. So this is 200 meter. What's 200 meter? How much degree? 30 degree. And angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 60 degree. So how much degree? 60 degree. So this. From this angle is 60 degree. Understood? Then the height of the cloud above the lake. Above the lake meaning this. This is the above the lake. Which one? A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes or no? So, understood this? Saying if the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 200 meter above a lake, so this is 200, so this is also 200 meter. This is H, so this is H. So what we have to find out? We have to find out this H. This H, it's meaning then the height of the cloud. What's the height of the cloud? 200 meter plus H. And if we can apply any method finding out the value of H, then we can see. So in what? In triangle. Which triangle? ABF. ABF. AB by BF is equal to tangent 30 degree. So what's your AB? Equal to BF. What's BF? What's BF? Tangent 30, 1 by root 3. So it's meaning BF by under root 3. AB. AB is the height H. So this implies, what's this implies? H equal to BF by under root 3. In which triangle? In triangle BDF. 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 Understood? Angle is formed here. So this is the base. This is the perpendicular. So BD by BF. BD by BF is equal to tangent 60. BD 200 plus H is equal to BF under root 3. BF under root 3. Yes or no? What's your BF according to this? Under the root. This leave this. And what's BF? Under root 3h. So under root 3h equal to 200 plus h by under root 3. Under root 3. Bring in this side, this is 3h minus h equal to 200. So 2h equal to 200. What's this? H equal to 200 divided by 200 meter. So h equal to 100 meters. What's 100 meter? And what's the height? This AC. So what's your AC? 200 plus 100. How much? So what we can say, AC equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC. What's your AB? 100 plus 200. How much? 300 meters. So what's the answer? C is its answer. Understood or not? Understood? Then the height of the cloud above the lake. Above the lake. So what's your answer? ADP. So this you have to keep in your mind. One thing's here wrong written. This AC. AC equal to H meter. AC equal to H meter. Angle of reflection saying. So this AC equal to DC. Always. So what's problem? AB what? AB equal to H. AB. AC minus BC. So this is coming H minus 200 coming. Sorry, 200 AC, H minus 200 coming. What's coming? H minus 200. So H minus 200. This we have to wrong taken. Otherwise, leave as it is this. Here, this is how much this? This is 200 plus H. 200, what is this? This we have taken. 200 plus H we have taken. So how much you can take? This is DC equal to H. And what is this? B plus this. And AB. AB how much taken? AB equal to H taken. AB equal to H we have taken. What's AB? AB equal to 200 minus H minus 200. H minus 200. So again I can tell, no problem. So from starting this, So here doubt, that also I want to tell you. So look here. Saying if the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 200 meter above the ground, so we can say this is a lake and 200 above ground is this, and this is a cloud. This angle is how much degree? 30 degree. What's it? 30 degree. This how much? 200. And its reflection, like this reflection coming like this. And this is how much degree? 60 degree. So what's your A here? AB is equal to how much? H meter we have taken. BC, this 200 meter. And what is this? D, H meter. What's taking? H meter. This E, and what is this? F. So what we have to find out? What's problem in it? AB equal to H, and this also total H. How much? H. So this is 200, this is 200, so what is this? C, H minus 200. What's it? H minus 200. So how can we find out? Look one time. So lake is this. Lake is this, saying if the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 200 meter above a lake is 30 degree. Above a lake is 30 degree. How much? 30 degree. This is 200. And what is this? Try to understand. If the angle of elevation of a cloud 200 meter above the lake is 30 degree, so from this point is 200. Understood? Angle of depression is here. So it's meaning this is 200 AB C. BC is equal to 200 and this total AC equal to H. What is AB? AB equal to H minus 200. And what is this? This is H. Yes or no? So look one time. This is 200 above point is this. This is H, this is H. This is the rule of science. Reflection, angle, this. So what you can take in triangle? Which triangle? ABF. ABF. AB by BF is equal to tangent 30 degree. So what's your AB? AB equal to H minus 200. BF is equal to BF. What's your BF? Tangent 1 by root 3. So what's its meaning? Bring in this side. Under root 3 H minus 200 is equal to BF. This is your first. Understood? Now, what's in triangle? In triangle, which triangle? In triangle BDF, BDF, this is H, this is 200. So this is what? BD equal to 200 plus H. So what's BD by BF is equal to tangent 60. BD 200 plus H by BF is equal to 1 root 3. Or we can say 200 plus H by 1 root 3 equal to what? What is this? BF. Here also BF. Here also BF. Understood? Both are equal. So under root 3 H minus 200 equal to 200 plus H by under root 3. Bring in the sides. So this is become 3H. 3H minus 600 is equal to 200 plus H. Bring in that side. 3H minus H is equal to 800. 2H is equal to 800. H equal to 800 by 2. How much? 400. So what's its answer? 400. This we have to understand. What is this? This is total H. So what is this? H minus 200. This is H. So how much? H plus 200. So this point we have to understand. If we can understand this, then no problem. 19. The height of a tower 100 meter. Height of the tower is 100 meter. When the angle of elevation of the sun change from 30 to 45 degree, this first is 30 degree, then it's changed into 45 degree. This point is A, B, C, D. The shadow of the tower become X meter less. The shadow of the tower become X meter less. The value of X is this. So it's meaning this, its value is this. Understood? In triangle ABC, AB by BC, tangent 45. Tangent 45 is equal to 1. So AB equal to BC and is equal to 100 meters. So this is 100 meters. Now, in triangle, which triangle? ABD. ABD. AB by DB is equal to tangent 30 degrees. So AB equal to 100 by DB is equal to tangent 30, 1 by root 3. DB what? 100 by 100 plus X is equal to 1 by root 3. Bring in that sides. 100 root 3 is equal to 100 plus X. So what's the value of 100 and root 3 minus 100 is equal to X. So what's common? 100 and root 3 minus 1 equal to X. So what's your answer? C is your answer. Got? Now, one more question. 22 persons are a meter apart and the height of one is the double of the other. One person is this, other person is this. And this distance is how much? A meter. And if it is h, so this is 2h. Like this. It's meaning this. Double the other. If the from the middle point of the line joining their fit, point joining their fit. So saying two person are a meter apart. Two person are a meter apart. How much in this? Another way also you can make. One person is this. This is the person whose height is 2h. Another person is this, whose height is this. In this way also we can show this is h. Understood? So what's saying? Two person are a meter apart and the height of one is double of the other. This h taken, this 2h taken. If from the middle point of the line joining their fit, an observer find that the angular elevation of their tops, its top like this coming, and its top is like this coming. And this point is the midpoint. So A, B, C, D, E, complementary. Complementary meaning sum of two angle is 90 degree. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Then the height of the shorter post is shorter, person coming. So we can take here in triangle, which triangle? EDC. ED by DC is equal to tangent theta. ED by DC is equal to tangent theta. And what is DC? C is the midpoint of DB. What's your DB? A. So DC equal to A by 2. So what's your ED? ED equal to H. 2H by A is equal to tangent theta. Or this we can write A by 2H is equal to cotangent theta, reciprocal of it. What's reciprocal of it? Leave it here. Now in this triangle, what's AB? In triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent 90 minus theta. Tangent 90 minus theta is what? Cotangent theta. And what's your AB? 2H. What's your BC? A by 2. A by 2 meaning 2 also going here is equal to cotangent theta. Tangent 90 minus theta is equal to cotangent theta. This is 2. Compare first and second. Right hand side of both are equal. What's equal? A by 2H is equal to 4H by A. 4H by A. Yes or no? What's its meaning? This understood or not? Why 2I have taken? Why 2I have taken? So what's it's become? It's become cross multiplication A square equal to 8H square. So what's your H square? Is equal to A square by 8. Taking under the root. So what's your H? H equal to A coming upside and 2 under root 2. So what's your answer? C is your answer. What's your answer? C. This how can came? This is meaning H square is equal to A square by 8. This implies H equal to under the root A square by under the root this. If you can solve this A by 2 under root 2. And length is never negative, always positive. Length is never negative, always positive. Understood? So you can solve till here. Tomorrow we will solve remaining question also. Try to understand this concept. So if you want to get good marks in the exam, so definitely you have to solve multiple choice questions. They improve your knowledge also and able to understand the concept. Understood? So till here you can do, remaining we can do multiple choice question tomorrow. Thank you all of you.